How to use Fifth Third Momentum Banking features. First of all, open the official Fifth Third Bank website and log into your Momentum Banking account. Next, explore the key features available with this account. One of the main benefits is the ability to earn interest on your balance, so your money grows while you save. You also get access to free ATMs within the Fifth Third network, helping you avoid extra fees. Then, use the budgeting and spending tools built into the online banking platform. These tools help you track your expenses, set spending goals, and receive alerts to keep your finances on track. You can also take advantage of mobile check deposit by simply taking a picture of your check through the app, making depositing money quick and easy without visiting a branch. Additionally, Momentum Banking offers no overdraft fees if your balance falls below zero, giving you extra peace of mind. Lastly, set up alerts and notifications for your account to stay informed about deposits, withdrawals, and any unusual activity, helping you stay in control of your money. And that's it. Now you know how to use Fifth Third Momentum Banking feature effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.